What comes to your mind when you hear the word gentleness? Most people think it means being weak or timid, but the Bible teaches us something different. Today, we'll discover why gentleness is one of the fruits of the Spirit and how we can apply it in our everyday lives.
Gentleness is the quality of being kind and tender. May magandang loob, malumanay at mahinahon. Gentleness is one of the fruits of the Spirit listed in Galatians 5:22-23.
Gentleness is not weakness. It is strength kept under control. A gentle person chooses patience over anger, wisdom over impulse, and compassion over cruelty, even if they have the power to do otherwise. One good example is our Lord Jesus Christ. He is gentle and full of kindness. He welcomes the little children in His arms, heals the sick, forgives the sinners, and corrects people in love. The strongest of hearts can remain kind, even in the midst of difficult moments.
Nahunan o gentleness ay hindi kahinaan. Ang pagiging mahinahon o gentle ay isang spiritong buhat sa Diyos na nakikita sa pamumuhay ng isang taong nakipag-isa kay Kristo. At ito din naman ay magpapatibay at magpapalakas sa atin bilang mga Kristiyano.
Gentleness is about
One of the greatest challenges in practicing gentleness is during moments of conflicts, misunderstanding, or offense. Human nature, magalit at magtaas ng boses. Gentleness, however, enables us to remain calm, exercise self-control, and respond in a manner that honors God.
Sinasabi ng salita ng Diyos, palikaan, sinisik, talatang uno, ang malumanay na sagot, sinasangpawin daw.
Magpapadala sa emosyon, kundi sa lahat ng mga pagkakataon ay maging mahinahon.
Salitain ang katotohanan kahit ito ay saway. Pero may kahinahunan, tanda ito ng pagiging mature sa espiritu.
So this is Mark.
Galatians 5, verse 22 to 23. But the fruit of the Spirit is love, joy, peace, long-suffering, gentleness, goodness, faith, meekness, and temperance. As such, there is no law.
Ang gentleness ay hindi lang para sa mga gentleman. It is also from gentlewoman.
But most especially, gentleness is for all Christians. Are you a gentle Christian?
Ang kagandang loob ng ating Panginoong Diyos ay patuloy na ipinararanas sa bawat isa sa atin. Ang nais niya, bilang isang mananampalataya, ay taglay natin sa ating mga buhay ang kagandahang loob.
Gentleness should be evident in every area of our lives. At home, we should communicate respectfully with our family members. Instead of yelling, we should speak patiently and kindly. Maging gentle sa mga tao sa bahay.
At pati na rin sa mga alaga nating hayop.
How we can apply gentleness in school, home, or workplace. So with others with kindness, fairness, and understanding. And gentleness is seen in tone of voice, everyday choices, actions, and attitudes.
Ay kalimang bunga ng banal na espiritu ay gentleness, kahinahunan. Tayo ay nagpapagamit at umahayo upang magwagi ng maraming kaluluwa para sa Panginoon.
Kaya dapat lang sa ating mga mananampalataya ng Panginoong Hesus, mahayag ang mga bunga ng banal na espiritu. Maging mahinahon sa lahat ng bagay upang makita ang kaluwalhatian ng ating Panginoon sa ating buhay.
Growing in gentleness is a lifelong process. Ito ay tuloy-tuloy na proseso na nangangailangan ng pagdepende sa banal na espiritu. Babaguhin tayo ng Diyos as we continue to submit our life to God.
Lastly, gentleness is not simply about being kind. It is displaying the character of our Lord Jesus Christ. So, brethren, be gentle like Jesus.